Alright, I tried to take pictures. Did you guys get good pictures?
I don't know.
Mine came all spotted. Why is it so dark down there? That darkness is coming towards us. Why is it so windy? Better yet, why are we still out here?
Oh, you missed it. Look how fast it's moving over there. It's fucking coming across, yeah.
You're in the middle of the sandstorm.
Run for your lives! It's okay to panic! Whoa, we got rain. We got rain.
Darkness is coming.
Darkness is here. Oh man. It's really a Hodge attack. Wow. This is like the freakiest thing I've seen.
Yeah. Being here.
Yeah. Look how dark it turned. That was less than a minute. It just turned pitch black.
Yeah.
I'm getting this shit on video. I'm sending it to Geographic. There's a little bit of sky right there.
It just like totally.
Don't leave us, Sky! Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, man! Oh! Fuck! Get inside! Fuck! No! Oh! Woo! Oh! Wait! Oh! Holy shit! Oh! Hey! The door was stuck!
I thought I fucking kicked you through it, man.
Oh my God, that was crazy! Turn off the air conditioning!